joy to welcome you all to the launching of Project Revive, Revitalize Visually Impaired Vocational Education.
We are breaking new grounds kasi dito we are offering 3 new vocational courses because we were inspired by the fact na yung kanilang therapeutic massage, sabi ko, was very successful. Kasi sabi namin, bakit isa lang? Ang daming capabilities na pinakita ng mga client, including music and yung sa IT.
More than just an initiative, it is love in action. A reminder that when hearts unite, change becomes possible. Through this partnership, we are not only improving our programs and facilities, we are also reviving hope, restoring dignity, and creating opportunities for our learners to build brighter, independent futures.
Launched on October 7, 2025, Education that Empowers a Future Without Barriers, signed Norma S. Pablo, School Principal 1.
Let us prove that visual impairment is not a barrier to success. With the right education, guidance, and opportunities, we can revive our dreams, our confidence, and our rightful place in the society.
At that time, it was just an idea. But now, ito na po, mahahawakan, may experience, at magagamit agad ng mga estudyante ng TNSP. What was once a hopeful discussion has now turned into a tangible opportunity for our learners through your generosity.